Okay.
Alright guys, welcome back. This is part 2 of Incoming Storm. Except now we're doing Trident Lightning. We're just going to change it to that. Because why not? So, this is this bad guy. Alright, super bad. Super.
Oh yeah, you've been batty. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Super bad guy, you know. Super.
Good boy.
I swear to God, bro. Alright, let's go. Oh my God. How much
Damn, it's hurting my nuts, bro.
I'm gonna bet just because of him, my views are just gonna like skyrocket. God. Alright.
Damn, he's sending me my beanie balls of hell, though. Like,
What the fuck, bro? Shut up. Alright. Oh, God. Alright, let's go.
No hesitation. We strike with speed and vigilance.
I seriously think he's sped. Oh yeah, crap, that's right, new update. Automatically chambers your gun. I'm an idiot. Maybe I'm the sped one.
skip that.
God. It's not even funny. He's alive. I know that for a fact. Don't get up! I said, don't get up! Yeah.
What?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay, stop raping him, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
Do it
Alright,
to me instead, man.
anyways, let's go.
Get a hold of
Alright, let's go.
Oh, he bent over.
I'd like to touch a big room, but it's also so small
Bye-bye.
at the same time.
So goofy that I can hear it.
Oh my God, I didn't even see him.
But he tried shooting me, man. He tried shooting Cookie Wookie Goodest Boy toy, man. The Goodest Boy toy 3000, man. Let the grenade take care of it.
It didn't. He's alive. He's alive! Alright, he should be fine now.
Alright. Oh. Oh. Hey, drop the gun,
Ah!
Bye-bye, skin.
Please! I have a bullet in my eyebrow. Oh my God, that's gonna take a lot of getting used to. That's super weird. Oh, I don't like it.
It's so skippy.
They're making so much changes, like, without our consent. Like, I can't even lean!
Yeah, best way, without consent.
He's alive, he's alive, he's alive. On God he is, on God he is. See, I told you he is, bro. Finally.
Oh, it's like literally not now.
Wait, one sec.
You've been a naughty boy.
Okay, let's go.
Target secure. Keep your heads up.
I love it now. That's like,
I'm taking
even though I shot
I'm
him
taking it,
14 times in the head, I still gotta rotate him. Let's go.
I'm taking away his iPad for the week.
Hey.
He's losing his iPad privileges, okay? I heard him yelling the N-word on Gorilla Tag.
Man, I won't let
Which is a
okay, never
serious
mind. It's
problem.
only when I'm still alive. Oh no.
Get down!
That was like literally not. Oh no.
Yeah.
Oh, it's black.
What is wrong with you?
With a darkie. Okay.
What is wrong with you?
He was the next King Bond, son. He was the next Kanye. He should have died. He was gonna
Oh,
smash
he was the
him.
next Kanye. Okay, I'm gonna get sued for this, but you know that's all right.
Yeah, he's the next. He's the next.
You're gonna get me taken down and me
He's the
sued.
next LeBron.
Well, because of that sentence alone. Like what? Was he like King Von's child or something? Is that why he was like the next
Yeah.
the next King Von?
I got some top. I'm gonna section. He's in top.
Oh,
Hold on, I got some top. I'm gonna section.
yo, right here, med.
Yeah, beat it.
I need a medic bag. Oh god. As I said, I need a medic bag.
Oh, need a medic. Let me put it in, bro. Are you okay?
I swear to God, with you, I'm gonna beat you.
That'll be $14,000, please.
I'm sorry, what? Bro, POV, American healthcare. Don't you need this? Oh my god! That is seriously gonna take some getting used to. Ugh. I don't like it. I don't like that part of the new update, you know? With the auto chambering. I like how you can do that, bro. It's not even funny, bro. Wiener. I remember one time. Okay, story time real quick. I remember one time I was in school. We got hot dogs, right? I grabbed my hot dog. And I just started flailing it about like this. And I don't know why. But at the time, it was like the funniest thing to me. Me and all my like mentally retarded friends laughed. It's just like wiener. It's not been funny, but it made us laugh so hard.
Hello. Hey, yo, governor. Hey, yo.
Wait.
Hey, yo, governor.
Oh my god! No!
Oh, yo, boy.
That was so terrifying.
Did this actually happen in the video aid?
Hey, bro.
In the Epstein world?
Hey. You know what?
The white ditty, I'm sorry. The white ditty, I meant. My bad.
The white ditty.
The Mr. Epstein daddy.
Yo, proof of how you breach doesn't matter as long as you shoot fast.
Oh, yeah, I go really fast.
Alright,
I go
boys.
fast and hard all day.
POV, the emos kid's favorite way to hold a gun.
I can go all day, bro. And even night. Hey, how did you know my favorite way to hold a gun? How did you find
I
this out?
guess you're the emo kid.
Nah, they just like leaked the group chat, I guess, with all the other emails. My bad.
They just leaked to the group chat.
Drop the gun!
Hey, that's illegal! He tried to attack an officer!
No.
Alright, we should be fine now. Wait! He's getting back up! Oh my god! He has a gun!
What?
I'm sorry, what?
Which means he has a gun and he's black. It's the same thing, you know.
That's awful.
You know, he's Muslim and he has a bomb. Like, you could have just said one or the other.
Bro, settle down. We're like, I don't know, we're something. No. We're like special forces. We're not police,
no,
okay?
he's Jewish, but like...
Okay. Okay, buddy. Okay, buddy, you are not a painter, okay?
I know I'm not. I'm the people that he locked up, though. I'm the people he killed, though.
Then why would you be helping? Why would you be following in his tracks?
Now, what I'm doing is different. Because
You know what? Because you tried shooting an officer?
Hitler was half Jewish.
You're getting removed.
So, I could just... Yeah.
Alright, he's a woman now. Let's go.
Target detained. Extraction zone.
Oh man, he despawned. I was gonna.
You were gonna what? What were you gonna do to him? There we go. I might have
Anyone
autism.
comes through a door, yeah, I'm just gonna whack this guy.
I just might have
This door,
autism.
I'm hitting him. Boom! Boom! Through hell,
No, no! Please! Please!
Confirm your secondary objective.
You know what would be cool for them to add? The HK-51. Because they have the MC-51. I'm pretty sure this is supposed to... Actually... Oh, is this supposed to be the HK-51?
I did a drone cam, right?
Maybe.
That's cool.
I mean, it's a possibility. However, it doesn't really look like an MP5 because the HK-51 is like an MP5, but 5.56, not 7.62. The thing is just supposed to be a G3. But it would be super cool since they have this already. It would be super cool if they added the HK-51. All right, let's go. Come on, let's go. Oh, you can't take people's guns now. That sucks.
If you like this,
Reloading.
you can.
Reloading.
Oh, grab it like this.
Reloading. I can't
Grab
reload.
it like this, though. Grab it like this. Yeah. Oh man,
What? What? No! Alright, let's go. Why would he do that? He's dead! This channel is just gonna be a bunch of like, I don't know, majorly retarded stuff. Like, majorly retarded
We spotted
content.
an enemy force closing on your current pause. Hold that LZ.
oopsie.
Oh, that's a cool new voice line. Why did you start?
Oopsie doopsie. I still don't even have my weapon out yet.
Oh my
I'm still
god.
picking.
Bro!
I'm a little bit of a woman, you know. I'm a little indecisive.
I'm not sure if you can say that. I'm gonna get called sexist now.
Oh my god.
How do you not die? Because this dude are like, I don't know, 39 or something. Die! Bro!
Stop. Oh.
Kilo's got eyes on you now. 30 seconds.
I swear to God, bro. That was perfect. Neck and then head. No way! Yo! Wait a minute! Yo, did you see that? He was like limping. Yo, guys, am I crazy or was he limping?
Yo, what?
Am I crazy or was that guy limping, bro?
Absolutely.
Shut up.
That's kind of mean, bro. It's such a meanie, bro.
Alright, bye guys. He sucks toes. Yeah.
Yeah.